What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't done a video in a little while like this because I didn't really think that there was an absolute need for one, and I don't want to have the same content over and over, guys. I want something to be there, value for you. But I'm going to give you an update today on one and kind of go over some things I've done in a past video, but more up to date. So with that being said, let's go ahead, jump into this video, and get right into it.
I've been getting dirty money.
Okay, guys. PTY, if you guys haven't seen my past video, go check this one out. PTY is a great long-term, again, this is a income opportunity fund. This is not going to be a growth stock, guys. If you guys think you're going to buy it at 13 and this thing's going to be at 60 in 2 years, you're in the wrong game. That's not what this one is for, and I'm going to explain that. It's a corporate income opportunity fund, and why I like this one. I own shares all the way down at like I think it was like $10 or something. Maybe it was 11. Yeah, I didn't hit the absolute bottom, but I mean, I know I got shares in the 12s, but I've got shares pretty much everywhere in this stock. So what I want to talk about it here is, and we can go here and just kind of look out further in the max, and this is kind of something that I wanted to do because that's not really going to show it. I wanted to show it right here. It closed the day at 1376. That's 100% fine, no problem there. What I'm looking at though is all of these little blue dots down here, all of them. You guys can see them, 11, almost 12 cents in their dividend every single month. That's what I care about. And if you look here, there is a special dividend of 15 cents, and then you get your normal dividend. Yes, I collected those dividends. But it's PTY. It's a great fund for just income. Again, not for your growth opportunity. If you're going to put it into something and let it compound, this is kind of where I've moved. This is what I call my safety money, or my rainy day money, or my retirement money, because this provides me income every single month. It has for years now. I don't really care about the rest of it, and yes, I still put more money back into this, and I use it for the drip still. I drip all the money still into this. And you guys know I sell options, and I take some of the money that I sell from options, or collect premium from options, and when I actually make money on that trade, I put it into PTY a lot of times. I'm only picking up a few shares here and there, maybe with that, but maybe I'm picking up $1,000 worth, a couple times a month with PTY. So again, if you're looking at the max, here's the max of it. Inception was about 1472. Right now, where are we at? Just under $14. Again, this one did go down into the 8s in 2008. 2020, it did get down here pretty low, and this is what I was talking about in the 12s. I think I was high 12s though when I bought it. I didn't hit the bottom by any chance. I'm not ever gonna act like I did. But one thing I want to just show you guys about this is being able. And here's all the settings I put in here. Again, it wasn't incepted in 1985, so you can't even do that. But we're going to collect year to date, and we're going to start with $10,000. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't have $10,000, or maybe you do, but I know I have more than $10,000 in PTY, and the contribution amount that I chose for this is $400. Now, I used to do the average car payment because I believe if you put your car payment in it, you can do this, and you should be able to afford the car payment. I did $400 a week for this one, or $400 a month, for one reason: $100 a week. I think you can do that, so $400 a month. Again, we're going to analyze this. We're comparing this to SPY and XOP, which is oil and gas. So we're going to go down here to this, and I think this is something important because we need to look at the growth and we need to look at the income side. I think you need to look at both when you're looking at this chart and going back through and back testing. Again, this is from the past. It does not guarantee any futures whatsoever. So XOP, you can see, is this yellow line, and it's down here. It didn't perform the best. It is what it is. It did not perform the best. PTY, though, was just under SPY. Here, you can see PTY is this red line, and for a while, it was above it, and then it looks like SPY got some growth into it, but you didn't get those dividends. And now we are dripping this, so dividend reinvestment plan. Every month that we get paid from PTY, we're putting money back into the stock and growing that income. So here's your annualized returns, and you can look at all these and your 10-year and all that. But this is what we like to look at, because again, the purpose of this drip, is to continue to gain that income. Now again, the dividend is not guaranteed. They can move this dividend, and they've done it one time. They dropped it a cent. Now that does make up a difference in the long term, but it's still a great income wise compared to a lot of other stocks. And again, my opinion on this could change tomorrow. I want you guys to all do your research before buying it, and you may find some others. PIMCO, which is the owner of this closed-end fund, also has some other ones that pay monthly. I think it's PDO, which I owned a little bit of, and I don't anymore. But so you guys can see, the income just continues every year. $10,000. You made just a little over $1,000, so you made a little bit over 10%. Look at this. You're just growing and growing and growing quickly at these rates. And again, only $400 a month. You're putting less than most of you guys' car payments, because the average car payment in America now is $700, which is, I think, is insane, but it's okay. And I get it. Everybody has to have a vehicle. Doesn't mean you need a brand new vehicle, but look at just the growth of the income that continues, guys. I'm a cash flow person. I like to sell premium. So this is one that I like to look at and go, wow, I'm able to move a lot. And now here is the big thing, and why I like this so much is my income does keep growing with this. And it's like a safety net kind of to me. Like I said, it's my rainy day fund. That's what I'm looking at here. Again, I want it to just keep producing me income. I want that drip off of it. I'm not looking at it to use it tomorrow. I'm not looking at it to use it for a month from now. If I have to, I have to. I get that everybody has emergencies, but I got cash set aside for other things as well. But this one could really, all of a sudden, if you're getting $1,000 a month off of this extra income, guys, which is only $12,000 a year, a lot of you, that pays either your rent, your mortgage, or it pays your car payment and your insurance. That gets that off of your back very, very quickly. And how many years did it take to get to $1,000 a month? So we basically needed to be at $12,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's only 10 years, guys. Most of you won't even stay to it for 10 years, which you should. I highly recommend, and I'm not a financial advisor whatsoever, but I highly recommend sticking to investing. Whatever you're investing into, sticking to it, and you can adjust, you can find different stocks, things like that. And again, I have a portfolio of different stocks that I keep over and over and over, and I keep reinvesting into them. I understand that as well. But this stock is something that I love going to, and I keep going back to it. And I probably always will until PIMCO does something dramatically that I don't like, and then that's when I will update this completely for you guys. But until then, I'm still going to keep owning. I'm going to keep owning PTY PIMCO stock. So that being said, guys, thank you guys all for this video. Remember what you're looking for and what is your goal. If your goal is growth, this may not be the stock for you. If you're looking for income, which is something that I like to do, I'm an income investor, not a growth investor, this is what I'm looking for.